Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to customize font size, color, and text style in Unfold. Here I'm using iPhone 13 Pro Max, but the steps work the same on Android too. Let's get started. First, open the Unfold app, tap the plus button and choose Story or Reel. Select Template and add your photo or video. Now, tap the text icon or tap directly on the text area. Type the text you want to add to your story or reel. Once your text appears on the screen, tap on it to start editing. At the bottom of the screen, you will see different font options. Scroll left or right to preview them. Tap on the font you like and it will instantly apply to your text. Some fonts are free while others may be premium. Next, tap on the color option. Choose the color from the template or use custom color if available. Your text color will change immediately so you can see what color is best. To change the text size, drag the size slider or paste the text on the screen. You can also make text bold or spaced depending on the font. Rotate text using two fingers. Move the text anywhere by dragging it. Once you are happy with the font, color and style, tap Done or anywhere inside the text box. That's it, you have successfully learned how to customize font, color and text style in Unfold. Take your time, try different combinations and make your story and reel stand out. That's it, that's all for today's video guys. If you found this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching, see you in next one.